children, today let's start with chapter number 13, simple machine. So in this chapter I will tell you about the simple machine. So we do so many types of work. देखो हम अलग अलग तरीके के काम करते हैं, right? अपने घर में उसके लिए हमें अलग अलग machines की need होती. So what we call them simple machine, they makes our work easier and faster. Machine जो होती है वो device होती हैं जो हमें help करती है to do lot of work in a short time with less energy. They helps us to get work done easily by applying force at convenient point. And when we talk machine, we think for a complex or big machine. So let's study about the simple machines that work in an easy way, like we have lever, inclined plane, pulley, wheel, axle, screw, and wedge. So by increasing the amount of force applied, by changing the direction of work, by increasing the speed of work, right, it makes the work easier. Basically, we have divided into 6 types of simple machine. Like a lever is a wedge rod which can turn around fixed point. इसे हम fulcrum कहते हैं. ये load को move करता है. It helps in exerting force in such a way that it makes our work easy. ये हमारे काम को easy बनाता है. Then we have lever which is made up of 3 parts. Fulcrum, load, effort. ये fixed point है in which rod moves. Object that has to be moved, they have rotated or cut. Efforts. We have to apply on rod to do work, which is based upon the position, effort, load or fulcrum. We have first class, second class and third class lever. फर्स्ट क्लास में जो लोड फल्क्रम होता है वो मिडल में होता है, बीच में होता है. एफर्ट एक साइड पे और लोड एक साइड, जैसे आपका सीसो हो गया, सीजर हो गया. देन वी हैव क्लास 2 लेवर जिसमें जो लोड होता है वो बीच में होता है, एफर्ट और फल्क्रम साइड में होता है. लाइट वी हैव पेयर ऑफ टोंगास, चूजर और स्टेपलर. ठीक है. देन वी हैव इंक्लाइन प्लेन जो एक सिंपल सरफेस होती है, right, which is one and higher than other. The less steep with the slope, the less force would be needed. जो ये क्या करती है, लोड को पुश अप करती है, डिस्टेंस टू बी कवर्ड विद द वाइंडिंग रोड्स, जैसे फ्लाईओवर हो गए, स्टेयरकेस हो गए, हॉस्पिटल रैक. Then we have a screw. It is an inclined plate which is wrapped around the cylinder in a form of spiral. इसकी वाइंडिंग एज होती है with threads. स्क्रू को हम यूज करते हैं फॉर होल्डिंग थिंग्स टुगेदर so that they have a better grip, right? They are preferred over nails by carpenters. Secondly, जो screwers होते हैं, they are taken out with the help of screwdriver. Next is wedge. ये एक simple machine है जिसके 2 inclined plane होते हैं which is joined together back to back. इसके sharp edge होती है with the shape of V and it is used for cutting and splitting object by moving it through the object. जैसे garden implements होते हैं ना, wedge होता है, blade होती है, knife होता है, axe होते हैं, nail होते हैं. These all are the example of wedge. Now pulley, it is a small wing which is with a groove around it, outer end. Groove hold a rope in its position. A pulley can turn about fixed road and not pass through its center. जो road होती है उसको हम axle कहते हैं. So in pulley, effort is applied in one direction और जो load होता है वो move करता है दूसरी direction में. There are 2 types of pulley, right? Fixed pulley or movable. It is used for drawing water from deep well. ये lift करता है heavy load. It is fixed at one position with the help of support of some other. It have more than one pulley without being support. One end of the rope is tied to the object to be pulled and the efforts applied is less because the weight होता है वो ज़्यादा होता है, movable pulley. Next, wheel and axle. So the wheel and axle together form a simple machine. जो wheel होता है वो connected होता है road से, ठीक है? And it is used for covering distance or for magnifying the applied force. Steering wheel जैसे आपका car हो गया, आपकी spinning wheel हो गई, bicycle wheel. The load can be lifted depends upon the diameter of the wheel and axle. If the wheel is much bigger, so the axle जो होगा वो ज़्यादा distance cover करेगी, right? This is all about in this chapter. We have completed. Now let's do the exercise. First is in class 1 lever. अगर 1 lever की बात करें, dash is in the center. तो center में क्या होता है आपका, effort होता है. It is the example of wedge. इसमें जो example है wedge का वो क्या है आपका, knife है. Knife. हॉस्पिटल रैंप की अगर हम बात करें, जो हॉस्पिटल रैंप होता है वो कैसा होता है आपका, इट इज इंक्लाइन प्लेन. इट इज अ सिंपल मशीन. दोनों, ऑल ऑफ दीज, एक्सल एंड व्हील, दोनों क्या है आपकी सिंपल मशीन. नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. लेट्स स्टडी द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स नाउ. फर्स्ट इज डैश आर द डिवाइस दैट हेल्प्स अस टू वर्क मशीन. A dash is a rigid rod that is lever. It is a fixed point. Fulcrum. Load. Write T for true and F for false statement. A pulley is a small wheel. It's true. The road is called axle. It's true. A wedge is a hard machine. False. It's a simple machine. Screw are used to take out things. False. Now distinguish between the following: class 1 lever and class 3 lever and screw and wedge. Next is answer the following question. What is machine? Machine क्या होती है और आप उसको कैसे use करते हो? Right? Describe pulley और आपको different types of pulley बताने हैं. What is screw and why it is preferred over nails? ये आपको बताना है. And inclined plane क्या होता है? ठीक है? और you should give some example also. Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.